Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to turn this into this.
This is Taradel's free postcard template design tool that allows you to fully customize professionally designed every door direct mail templates in just a few minutes. To begin customizing this postcard, simply click on any of the elements and you'll be able to adjust them using the features on the left-hand side. So to start, let's click on the main front image, and then you'll be able to replace it with one of your own images or a free Getty image. So once you click upload, you'll be able to select any photo from your desktop and it'll automatically be inserted into the correct spot. The same goes for the text. Simply click on any text box and you'll be able to edit it. Again, you'll be able to change the colors and the font off to the left-hand side. And finally, don't forget to insert your own logo. Just click on the stock one we have and you'll be able to upload your own. And just like that, your postcard is ready to be sent out to all your new potential customers.
It really is that easy. In just a few minutes, you now have a fully customized postcard that is guaranteed to print with optimal results and meet USPS requirements. Remember, Taradel's all-in-one platform makes it easy to design, print, and mail postcards all from the comfort of your home. Just design your postcard, place your order, and get ready for new customers.